Ever wanted to build high-quality furniture projects yourself, but didn't know where to start? Most people think you need expensive tools or years of experience. But the truth is, you just need the right blueprints. Clear, step-by-step plans that guide you through every single cut, joint, and detail. No guesswork. No wasted material. Just professional results, even if you are a complete beginner. Ready to start your next weekend project? Tap the link in my profile to get instant access to thousands of custom woodworking plans. Let's build something great.